I mean, when you went and met the president or some of the politicians or the head of the stock exchange, it was very clear that they held the banks in a sense of fear and awe, and they weren't going to in any way make sure that they operated in a sensible manner.
What is remarkable and what is reprehensible is that the government of Iceland, the Central Bank of Iceland, and the financial regulator of Iceland all acted as cheerleaders of the banks rather than as regulators on behalf of the public.
I mean, I met the Icelandic regulator in Reykjavik, and I remember as I walked into the room, I think it was a man called Paul Gunnar Pálsson. I don't know if I've got the pronunciation right. But as I sat down, he said, "Aren't you afraid of these people?" And I looked at him, and immediately I thought, well, okay, so he must be. I said, no, of course I'm not afraid of them. At the end of the day, you know, they are what they are, and they're a shareholder, and we'll do what's right, and so on. Of course I'm not afraid of them. But I really felt like saying, but are you? And why?